Build for you one of my favorite dishes with our vegan patty. It's our vegan Parmesan skillet. So we take some of our marinara and we put it down in our skillet, and you can use just a pan, anything that will stand up in an oven. The marinara is already cooked. I take a little bit of spinach, already sautéed spinach, and I just put it down on top of that. And then I take a little bit of mushroom and I put the mushroom in on top of that. All you're doing, and the mushrooms are already sautéed, so all you're doing is really heating up the patty and melting cheese over the top. I'm taking one of our frozen patties and putting it on top of the dish, and then I'm covering it with Follow Your Heart mozzarella cheese. We love the brand. You put that on the top, and you take that and put it in the oven for about 14 minutes until the cheese is beautifully melted. So when it comes out of the oven, you'll see that the cheese has started to melt a little bit. And what I do is I take a little of the Go Vegan Parmesan cheese, and I sprinkle that over the top. Easier said than done. Just a little bit over the top. And then I finish it with a little bit of parsley to make it look nice. And there you go. You have your vegan skillet.